Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. Today's topic is on the origin of gold, the conventional theory, and then there's the reciprocal system. So let's take a look at the conventional theory first. This is from NASA's picture of the day. So this is what they say. The relative average abundance in our solar system appears higher than can be made in the early universe, in stars, and even in typical supernova explosions, many believe. That neutron-rich heavy elements such as gold might be most easily made in rare neutron-rich explosions, such as the collision of neutron stars. Come on, man. Pictured here is an artist's illustration depicting two neutron stars spiraling in toward neutron star collisions, or also as the origin of short-duration gamma-ray bursts. Wow, what nonsense. Wow, that's what we're up against. The nonsense of, quote, modern physics. Okay, now, according to the reciprocal system, heavy elements are made from lighter elements by addition of magnetically charged neutrinos. Atoms are constantly bombarded by neutrinos. Some of the neutrinos obtain a magnetic charge while passing through matter, which causes them to be trapped in the atoms. And the magnetic charge creates a gravitational charge in the associated atom, which adds a unit of atomic mass to the atom. That is, it creates a new isotope. If this isotope is outside of the zone of stability for that element, then internal transformations will occur in such a way as to change the element to the next one higher up. Thus, gold is created out of lighter elements. Gold is not created by supernovae or the so-called Big Bang or any of the other nonsensical methods of, quote, modern physics. Okay, well, it's pretty simple today. For the simplest possible treatment of the reciprocal system, please obtain my work, The Unmysterious Universe. It has all the concepts, many diagrams, easiest way to learn the system. Now, if you do want all the mathematics, and I mean all the math, please obtain my magnum opus, Existence and Interactions, a computational treatise of the reciprocal system, the true theory of everything. 711 pages in the PDF file, and 711 slides in the PowerPoint file. Thousands and thousands of equations, diagrams, tables. It'll keep you busy for months. And once you get through Existence and Interactions, you should obtain my 2 database modules, which make it very easy to apply the theory to your actual engineering or scientific practice. The reciprocal system microcosmos database has all the properties for photons, subatoms, atoms, compounds, alloys, covers both material and cosmic particles. There's an excellent graphing facility in it, so you can graph all the properties of matter. It's amazing. Then I have the reciprocal system macrocosmos database, which has all the properties of the astrophysical realm, including the universe as a whole, galaxy clusters and groups, star clusters, stars, planets, moons, minor bodies like asteroids and comets, nebulae, dust clouds, and voids. So again, very comprehensive, includes a great graphing facility as well. And with that, you can actually apply the theory in practice. My opponents in theoretical physics have nothing comparable to these 2 database modules. So again, please study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself, and thanks for your attention.